Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Kia Forte spark plugs. First, gather your tools, including a 5/8" spark plug socket, a torque wrench, and a gap gauge. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work to avoid burns and potential damage to components. For your safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning the replacement process. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Now, let's access those spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover, which is typically secured by 4 bolts or clips. Once the cover is off, you will see the 4 ignition coil packs. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil by pressing the tab and pulling. Then, unbolt each coil pack and gently pull them straight up to remove them from the spark plug wells. With the coil packs removed, you can now access the spark plugs. Use your 5/8" spark plug socket and extension to carefully remove each old spark plug. Before installing the new ones, always check their gap using a gap gauge. For most Kia Forte models, this is 0.044 inches. Hand tighten the new spark plugs to avoid cross-threading, then use your torque wrench to tighten them to 15 to 20 pound-feet. You're almost done. Carefully reinsert each ignition coil pack into its well and secure it with its bolt. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the coil packs, ensuring they click into place. Replace the engine cover and fasten it securely. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Kia Forte and listen for a smooth idle, indicating a successful spark plug replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.